Hey, buddy. I couldn't help but notice that you're fully alive and you're not going anywhere. You doing okay?
See something cute.
You wanna move? You wanna move? You're just kind of shaking.
Okay.
This is freaking me out.
Mom, poke it. Should I touch it?
The pretty little. No,
Don't touch it.
Don't touch.
Don't touch it.
Don't.
Okay, Will, don't touch it.
Don't. The little red on his
Maybe
wings.
he's just been flying a lot and he's tired.
Maybe he's sleeping with his eyes open.
Fell from the sky.
No, he's flying south for the winter, Mom. He's all tired.
They don't fly south for the winter.
Yeah, they do.
They do?
Birds
I thought they
do.
flied west for the winter.
Oh,
Are you sure?
birds fly south.
I'm thinking of the sun.
I'm the smart one.
Okay, try moving the chair. Just lightly move the chair. Okay, that's weird. Do you have any birdseed? We could try to feed it. We could shove
Get some
some.
bread.
We could shove some bird. Okay, you know what? Maybe it's dead, but it's like reflex. You know how like if you.
Isn't that weird how it's just perfectly.
You know how like if you
Sitting
chop
there?
a chicken's head off, it'll like run around. Maybe.
Maybe
this
your
is-
house is haunted.
Oh, you moved the leaf. Oh my god. Okay, put the leaf back. Maybe this is like a sign of trust.
Maybe this is like a sign. Maybe God's trying to tell us something.
Maybe. God. Maybe God is going to communicate through the bird. God, are you there?
Are you there?
Why aren't I getting my period, God? All my other friends have gotten their periods already.
When will my breast grow?
Are you there, God? It's me, Drew. This is so freaky. Okay, yeah, you turn it off. Did you start the video already? It left. Let's go check and see if. Let's go check and see if it made its way out of here.
Just step on it.
Ew,
it
it was
pooped.
taking a dump.
Pooped.
So, now we know that if you see a bird concentrating on something, it's probably just taking a shit and you should leave it alone. Like, we all want to be left alone when we take shits.